कि वो करें ना।
उसी का जवाब दे रहा हूँ, उसी का जवाब दे रहा हूँ। कोई एक बात नई नहीं करूंगा। आई एम नॉट री आर्ग्यूइंग द केस, आई विल मेंशन व्हाट दे हैव सेड।
मेरी ख्वाहिश ये, बाकी साथी भी शायद मुझसे एग्री करें, मेरी ख्वाहिश ये कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का पुराना जो कल्चर था, वो एक इज्जत और एहतराम का, एक डेकोरम का, वो बहाल होना चाहिए। इनफ इज इनफ, बहुत हो चुका।
वो सर
जिसके जी में आया जो कहता जा रहा है, जिसके जी में कोई पकड़ दकड़ नहीं है, नो आई थिंक इट इज इनफ। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू कर्ब ऑल दिस थिंग्स।
अभी तक
इसमें आप लोग सबकी सपोर्ट करनी चाहिए।
अभी तक तो कोई किसी लॉ को या रूल को स्ट्राइक डाउन नहीं किया है। फिर रीजनिंग में आप अगर उसको स्ट्राइक डाउन कर रहे हैं तो देन इट डजंट कनेक्ट विद द शॉर्ट ऑर्डर, and to that extent this honorable court in the judgment which I have just cited before your lordship, which is at tab 15 of volume 1 in paragraph 3, it says that it is not।
देख लें,
पढ़ दीजिए ना आप कौन सा
सर, वॉल्यूम 1 टैब 15।
जजमेंट्स का वॉल्यूम 1 यही था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट है 2013।
If your lordship will see the fifth line, all the paragraph is relevant, but page 1030A. It would be the short order dated 11th of April 2013, which will be determinative of the rights and obligations of the various parties in the matter. It has not been said in the short order that the consequences thereof will not follow in relation to some amounts despite the setting aside of the case of Ahmad Ali U. Qureshi. The reasoning which was recorded at a later date can only be in support of this short order and not in deviation from the same. Short orders have consistently been considered sufficient by this court for disposal of a lis as well as being operative for all intents and purposes. It has, in the case of State versus Asif Adil, it has been observed that short...
है कौन सा जजमेंट ये?
My lord, ये जजमेंट जो है ये PLD 2013 Supreme Court 1024 है, and your lordship will see it's a larger...
Tab number 15 है ये?
Tab 15 sir, volume 1.
लेकिन आप यहाँ से पढ़ें, the reasoning which was recorded at a later date can only be in support of the said order.
Yes, my lord.
And not in deviation from the same. Where is deviation?
My submission only
अगर
is...
वहाँ पे ये लिखा हो कि नहीं, rule 94 is intra-virus और reasoning में कहते हैं ultra-virus, this is deviation.
My submission
Just
is...
in support of the short order.
Correct, my lord, but a categoric finding in the short order of the majority with respect to this Rule 94 was not recorded, though such a finding was given by the majority in the reasoning to that extent.
आप ये कह सकते हैं non mentioning की ऐसी judgment दे दे कि जहाँ पे anything not mentioned in the short order cannot be incorporated in the reasoning.
Sir,
there is difference between deviation and non mentioning.
My lord, if your lordship may take a look, I've given the citation to the staff. 2000 SCMR 636.
2000
SCMR 636.
636. Yes.
And in that, your lordships in the Supreme Court set aside an order of the High Court which was at variance. The reasoning was at variance with the short order.
Yes, agreed. If it is in variance, I agree.
Lord, if your lordships come to the conclusion that there is no variance, then this is not the submission was only being made in this.
One may say that it is in variance with the prayer clause. Okay. But the reasoning must be in variance with the short order, then that cannot be. If it is in line, in support of the reasoning.
My lord, if that is the view of your lordship, then both these...
I am referring this judgment, जो आपने अभी refer किया, paragraph 3, वो कहते हैं, the reasoning which was recorded at a later can only be in support of the said order.
Yes.
And not in deviation from it.
Yes,
अब support में तो बहुत सी चीजें नहीं लिखी होती हैं, शॉर्ट ऑर्डर में, लेकिन सपोर्ट के लिए हम 50-100-200 पेजेस
जी, जी.
जजमेंट.
So far, if your lordships come to the conclusion that this finding given with regard to Rule 94 in the reasoning is in consonance with the short order, that's fine.
Or in support of that.
Or in support of that, that's fine. If your lordships come to the conclusion that no, the reasoning goes beyond the short order, then it cannot be sustained.
Beyond the deviation.
Deviation, then it cannot be sustained.
ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
come to next point.
My lord, the submission made before your lordship was that when it comes to review, now over here, I had given that case law
उनके
earlier.
रिबटल में उनकी बात जो उन्होंने की वो करें
उसी
ना.
का जवाब दे रहा हूँ, उसी का जवाब दे रहा हूँ. कोई एक बात नई नहीं करूंगा. I am not re-arguing the case. I will mention what they have said.
कि मेरी ख्वाहिश ये, बाकी साथी भी शायद मुझसे एग्री करें, मेरी ख्वाहिश ये कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का पुराना जो कल्चर था, वो एक इज्जत और एहतराम का, एक डेकोरम का, वो बहाल होना चाहिए. इनफ इज इनफ, बहुत हो चुका.
वो सर
जिसके जी में आया जो कहता जा रहा है, जिसके जी में कोई पकड़ दकड़ नहीं है. नो, आई थिंक इट इज इनफ. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू कर्ब ऑल दिस थिंग्स.
अभी तक
इसमें आप लोग सबकी सपोर्ट करनी चाहिए.
अभी तक तो कोशिश यही रही है कि कोई ऐसी बात ना हो, और इंशाल्लाह रहेगी.
हम अपनी बता रहे
जी
हैं,
सर.
हमें सबकी सपोर्ट
Sir,
चाहिए.
I follow the black letter tradition of this honorable court that rebuttal should be confined to answering submissions which were made, and that is exactly what I will do. And if your lordships at any point feel that I am going beyond my remit, your lordships have every right to stop me, and I'll stop at that very minute.
Thank you.
My lord, the
और
test.
बाकी कुछ कहना है in writing you can file.
वो सर बिल्कुल कर देंगे. सर, the test of review over here, and as I said, sir, I am handicapped in this because a lot of things have been said which are more appropriate perhaps for a political platform. They are not for a legal forum. So I will be responding only to the legal submissions. Now, it was said over here before your lordship specifically, and I have noted it down, so I will read out what it was said, and your lordship can verify. My lord, we were not supportive or opposing the application for live streaming, but we have been helped in a way by that application being granted, because now whatever has been said is on the record and it cannot be rebutted. The test for review laid down before your lordship on 18th of June when arguing the case was, and I am giving your lordship quote unquote, your lordship can check it. It is on, once your lordship looks at the proceedings, after 2 hours 16 minutes and 14 seconds, it was said कि इन आठ ने क्या कोई ऐसा अमल किया है जो कि बिल्कुल और आइन और कानून के खिलाफ बगावत थी. Unquote. This was the test laid down for your lordship. Show me I would challenge them to show me a judgment which this test for exercise of review jurisdiction has been laid down by the Supreme Court. The test consistently has been that point out an error apparent on the face of the record which floats on the surface. Now, I have cited those judgments. I will not cite them again. I'll just draw your lordship's attention. It has been said, and I will just give your lordship the numbers, that when it comes to review jurisdiction of this honorable court, my lord, Pakistan versus Facto Belarus, this case is PLD 2002, Supreme Court 208, at page 216, paragraph 12. It is in volume 1, volume 2, tab 1, paragraph 12, volume 2, tab 1. If the court has overlooked some material questions of fact or of law which would have a bearing on the decision, or there is otherwise some apparent mistake or error on the face of the record, then of course the power of review can be exercised. As far as error apparent on the face of the record is concerned, it should be manifest, clear, could not be permitted by any court to remain on record. Such error may be an error of fact or law, but must be self-evident and floating on surface. The orders based on assumption of material facts or without adverting to a provision of law or departure from undisputed construction of law and constitution may, however, amount to error apparent on the face of the record. This is a review judgment authored by my Lord Mr. Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry. My Lord, the Justice Qazi Faiz Isa case, PLD 2022, Supreme Court 119 at 170B. Pages relevant will be 171 and 178. This case is also before your Lordship in Volume 2, Tab 6.